Can you see the pencil case? Can you see the pencil case? What is a pencil case? The pencil case is on the table. The pencil case is on the table. And what is in the pencil case? What is in the pencil case? The pencil case has got whiteboard markers. Whiteboard markers. We have red, blue. Whiteboard markers are in the pencil case. The pencil case is on the table. You see the ruler. Can you see the ruler? What is a ruler? The ruler is under the pencil case. The ruler is under the pencil case. The ruler is under the pencil case. Okay, where is the ruler? Where is the ruler? The ruler is next to the pencil case. The pencil case is next to the ruler. The pencil case is next to the ruler. Next to, by, next to, by. Now, where is the ruler? Where is the ruler? The ruler is on the pencil case. The ruler is on the pencil case. Okay, today we'll talk about preposition of place. Preposition of place. For preposition of place, we will have 2 lessons. So this is the first lesson, preposition of place. So what do we look at? Preposition of place. So we want to find out where we keep things. Where we keep things. Where is it? Where is your bag? Where is your bag? Where is it? Is it in? Where is your bag? Is it in? Is it in? In. Is it on? On. We have on. Is it by? By. Is it under? Under. Next to. Next to. Next to. So where is it? Where is it? It is by. It is under. It is on. It is in. It is next to. So where is your cup? Where is your pen? Now we look at this cat. Where is this cat? Is this cat on the box? Is it in the box? In. I-N. In. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. In. The next preposition is on. On. O-N. On. On. Which animal is this? Did you say dog? Good job. This is a dog. And the dog is on a mat. On a mat. The dog is on a mat. The dog is on a mat, or you can say the dog is on the mat. The next preposition we're going to look at is under. Under. Look at the boy. The boy is under the table. Under. The boy is under the table. The boy is under the table. Under. Under. Where is the boy? Look at the boy. What is this? A door. A door. We go through the door to get into the house. A door. So the boy is standing by the door. The boy is by the door. The boy is by the door. Next, look at this picture. The red one is a car. And this is, which animal is this? Which animal is this? Is this a cat? No, not a cat. Is this a dog? No, not a dog. Did you say pig? Good. This is a pig. This is a pig. Next to. The car is next to the pig. The red car is next to the pig. Now look at the cup and the bag. So what do you say? If you want to describe where they are, which one is next to which? We have the bag, we have a cup. So teacher has said the cup is next to the bag. We can also say the bag is next to the cup. You will be right. Trivia time. Let's go and investigate if we understood the prepositions. Let's see if we have anything. Application. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Where is the juice? Where is the juice? Where is the juice? The juice is in a glass. It is in a glass. Where is the egg? Where is it? Where is it? Is it on the milk? Is it in the milk? Is it by the milk? So where is it? Where is the egg? The egg is next to the milk. Or you can also say the egg is by the milk. Where is the milk now? Where is the milk? What is the milk? What is a bottle of milk? It is next to the egg. It is next to the egg. Oh, let's say quiz time, quiz time, quiz time. Are you ready? So we have seen in, on, under, by, or next to. Next to, next to. I don't know how you say next to in your language. Any other languages? How do we call in? How do we say on? How do we say next to? How do we say by? So you can also think about them in your local languages. So let's see, can we do the quiz? Good. Question 1, where is your school bag? Where is your school bag? Do you have a school bag? Where is it? Is it on the table? Is it in the table? Is it under the table? Is it in daddy's car? Is it in mommy's car? Where is your school bag? Question number 2, where are your toys? Where are your toys? Question number 3, where is your water bottle? Where is your water bottle? Question number 4, where is your milk? Do you drink milk? Do you drink milk? Where is your milk? Question number 5, where is your pet? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Where is your pet? What is your pet? Next set of questions, question number 6. Let's see. Good. Where is the television? Where is the television or TV? Is it on the wall? Is it in a cupboard? Is it under the table? Where is the TV? Question number 7, where are you sitting right now? Where are you sitting? Where are you sitting right now? I am sitting on a chair
On a sofa in my living room. Where are you sitting? Where is your car? Where is your car? Do you have a car? Do you have a toy car? Where is it? Where is it? Do you have a phone? Question number 9. Where is your phone? My phone is. Where is your phone? And question number 10. There is in the fridge. What do you have in the fridge? What do you have in the fridge? And finally, we come to the end of this lesson. Thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for supporting our date. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below so that we can improve on what we are doing. Thank you very much. See you in the next production. Bye-bye.